Hello, my name is Kimberly Redding, and I'm working on the informal assessment for my elementary student. This is part of Module 1 of my master's level project. The assessment that I'm using is a pattern block pictures assessment. This is to be used to assess following multiple step directions. Math vocabulary is incorporated to assess higher level math concepts. Pictures may be used to let students check their work. Materials that are required for this project are pattern blocks and picture cards. The ones that I've created are here, and I've attached it to my document that I'm submitting. The directions say using picture cards, direct student to place the following blocks on the table. Number one yellow shape with one blue shape on each side. That should be pretty easy. It still might be difficult for students who don't understand on the sides or beside. Hopefully, if that doesn't work and they start to get frustrated, you can show them the picture and they can complete that task without further frustration. The next one says place 2 red blocks with a blue block on each side. That one gets more difficult. You have to invert the trapezoids and put the blue diamond shapes on each side of the trapezoids. The next one is 1 yellow block with 2 blue blocks on each side. It looks kind of like a butterfly or possibly a turtle. So that one is kind of easy because the blue diamonds fit next to the hexagon pretty easily. Number 4, use blue diamonds and 4 blue diamonds and 2 cream diamonds. Then it gives further instructions. Place 1 blue, 1 cream, 1 blue, 1 cream, then 1 blue. And add another blue to the end of the middle diamond. That is pretty intense as far as multi-steps go. I think it is. It would be hard for me to follow. Maybe I'm just not that bright. Number 5 is use 4 green triangles, 1 yellow hexagon, and 1 red trapezoid. Place the trapezoid on the bottom, green triangles in the middle, and the yellow hexagon on top. So this uses more language skills as well as math vocabulary, so it gets a little more difficult as we go down. To score this activity, I tried to make it simple using a plus or a minus next to each number to indicate that the task was completed satisfactorily. One of the things that I might change for the student that I'm working with is handing her the pictures and letting her build the shapes first using the pattern blocks, and then give it to her as an assessment using the directions that I've provided. That might be a little bit easier. She has been diagnosed with autism. That would prepare her for the task at hand. That is the only thing that I can think of that might make this easier to use. It was pretty difficult trying to determine what sort of assessment to give her based on the assessments that were provided.